unbox.
Yeah.
We're going to prepare food and demonstrate this air fryer for you. It's going to be the whole shebang.
Hi everyone.
Hi,
Hello,
everybody.
beautiful people.
Hi.
It's me again.
And me, Dan and Leah.
Welcome to Dan and Leah TV. Welcome to my kitchen, Leah's kitchen, and for today's video,
We are unboxing the new Ninja air fryer. We've been wanting these things for a long time. And so today we had to stop by Costco to pick up a few things. And all of a sudden she's standing there pointing. How could I say no to this beautiful place? So here we are with this new Ninja air fryer. And neither of us have ever had any air fryer experience in the past. So today we're going to unbox.
yeah.
We're going to prepare food and demonstrate this air fryer for you. It's going to be the whole shebang. So,
This air fryer is like trending right now in the Philippines, I think. But alam ko it's been a year or so that's been
but it's been out already?
in the market. But in the Philippines right now, I've been watching some videos, YouTube, TikTok, that it's kind of what do you call that? Status symbol right now on your kitchen. If you have one, I don't think so.
Should we tell them
Back home.
Should we tell them what we paid?
No. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, we got this only for
$99?
$99.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cheap one.
Yeah.
Not very cheap. This is the only brand I have in.
Yeah, that was the only one we saw. Okay,
in
so why don't I
Costco.
just start, babe, and get this thing out. Unbox this sucker. Whoops. That tacking tape out of there. Let's get the show on the road. Alright. We have instruction manual. Probably has lots of cooking instructions in there as well. Ah yes, quick start guide. Owner's manual. Two separate things. We'll just put those there for now.
What's that? Warning something.
Oh yeah, let's see here. Warning, do not put your air fryer in the stove.
Oh, in the stove.
Okay,
Stove top.
you keep that in mind, alright? Oh yeah, don't put it on the stove top maybe.
Not on the stove.
Okay babe, take it out of the way. Anything else in the box?
Okay. That's everything.
Alright. There you go. This thing's bigger than I realized. I don't know why I thought it would be small. Oh, there you go. Alright, turn it around so folks can see.
Oh, there's the sticker. There's the sticker.
Intake on the side. Okay, pull that out.
There's one.
Alright. So this is the air intake on the top. And then the heat exhausts out through the bottom, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. Maybe, oh, there we go, out the back. Okay, go ahead. Oh, that's your button there.
No, there's no button.
No button? Oh, okay.
Just put it.
Do you preheat these before you cook? No? You preheat
Just
them?
like oven, guys. You have to preheat the oven before you
Look at that, it comes with a cardboard frisbee.
This is the
And this is your non-stick surface. It just sits down in there.
What is this for?
I think for like a fry tray or a meat tray. I don't think
So I have to remove it.
There you go, like that. Yeah. Just to make it easier. And if you don't want to use that non-stick surface at the bottom. So we're going to do chicken wings with this today, right? Will we be able to do all the chicken wings in that side of the space? put a lot in there, and I don't think you need to use this.
We have lots.
I think you can just go like that.
So, there's an indicator here, guys. Kung ilang minutes nyo pwede lutuin yung meat nyo, chicken or fries, fish, ham, yeah, defrost, muffins also.
So all we have to do is wash this up to get it ready, and then we can get to cooking. Let's do it. Stay tuned for part 2 when Leah and I get this thing cooking. Right on. Okay, so now is time to fire this air fryer up. So this is the power button. Okay, so according to the air fryer quick guide, it says here that I should actually be running this at 390 for chicken wings. So to revise the heat, the preheat, I can just go like that. Whoops, and voila. Now at 390 as the preset heat instead of 360. Voila.
Okay.
And we've got that positive little beep to let us know that we've succeeded in doing that process. So the quick guide is great. It's going to get you off to a good start. Right now, we're getting it nice and hot. The instruction manual guide says that we should preheat for about 3 minutes.
Yeah, just for 3 minutes.
So we're ready, and Leah's prepared her chicken wings, and she's guesstimated she's going to do about 20 wings to start with.
Yeah.
And now we're going to pause the unit. And you can see the basket's pretty big. Let's see what 20 wings looks like in here. For 20 minutes, so we'll go for 10 minutes. And then we'll take them out and see how we're looking. Fist bump.
What's the temperature?
Temperature is 390. 10 minutes for 390, and then we'll take them out and we'll toss everything upside down in there and see how it looks. It's gonna be good.
A few moments later.
All right, so our first 10 minutes is coming to a close. We put in 20 wings here. We're kind of thinking now maybe it was too much, that there should have been a little more space between them. So in a minute here, when the 10 minutes is up, our first 10 minutes, we're going to pause this, we're going to have a look, see what the results is, and we'll share that with you, and then we'll decide at that point if we need to take some of them out or not. Look at that. Okay, so that's the first 10 minutes.
Okay. We have to.
Not bad, not bad. So after having a closer second look, Leah and I decided to reduce the number overall. So we took out
6.
Yeah, we took 6 of the 20 out. That, and you can see that there's now some air in between, a little bit more room. We're gonna go ahead and proceed. And we're gonna get another 10 minutes going here at 390, and let's start. All right.
Wait and see.
It's gonna be awesome. I think a little bit of room between so that there's airflow is key. We actually got a pretty amazing result for the first 10 minutes. I think we're both pretty impressed, but it's still pretty tight in there. So I think just not being impatient.
Just to get the better result.
Yeah, exactly. All right, so we'll see you in another 10 minutes.
There you go, guys. Another 10 minutes is done.
All right, let's take them out and have a look and see how we made out here. Wow, that's fantastic. They really do look ready.
Mhm.
Want to flip those over and have a look at the other side? It's a beautiful result.
Yeah.
Are you satisfied, baby?
Yeah.
Those wings are done.
Mhm. Because if you do it like another part, then it's fine. But you don't want your chicken to be dry,
Right, exactly.
right?
Right.
Okay.
All right. Fantastic.
And for us, that's good. And there you have it.
I think the result looks really good. That's our first try with our new Ninja air fryer. And we tried chicken wings today, and the result looks fantastic.
And I'm gonna try it.
We're gonna try one.
This is a piece of skin that fell.
Mm-hmm. Those are cooked through. Wow, what a fantastic device. I think Dan and Leah both give our double thumbs up for the new Ninja air fryer. Wonderful. Juicy, but yet well cooked. Fantastic.
Just make sure you marinate your whatever
So brown, lots of wrap.
Hope you guys like this video. Give us a thumbs up if you do. Like, comment, and share. Kung ano pa yung mga recipe na na-try nyo, let us know para i-try din namin sa aming air fryer.
Thanks for joining us in our kitchen today. And we look forward to seeing you again soon.
Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga uploads. Thank you guys. We
Bye,
love you
folks.
so much. Bye-bye.